So, welcome my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and I welcome you all back to one another episode of Vishistic Vibes. So, yes, today is a nice day. It is a New Year day. First of all, a very happy New Year to whoever is watching this video. And today I'm going to a very special day because first day of the year, and I thought to make it really memorable and wonderful. So whenever you think about Canada, the first thing that comes into your mind is Niagara Falls, obviously. And the thing is, some fireworks festival is going on in Niagara. So right from December 26th till today, January 1st, there is fireworks at 10 p.m. So I thought this is the best time to go and enjoy some nice view of the Niagara. And in Niagara you also have some that boat thing and all, but I don't think I will be able to do it now in the winter because it's already very cold, and if you go there it will be even more cold. So the plan for today is we are going looking at enjoying the illuminated waterfalls, and then in the end see the fireworks and then come back. So that is the plan for today. So my friends are getting ready, and we have hired a Toyota Corolla car here. So details about how to hire a car and all I will tell you guys as we go on, but for now that is the plan. So I'll meet you guys directly on the road. So we just picked up our 5th member and we are all set to go. So before going, we thought we'll just stop by the Tim Hortons. So we're grabbing something to drink and eat. So the first plan is to go to the outlet mall here. So there is something called as outlet mall where you get things a little bit less price than the price outside. So that is where we're going first. So we'll go and see if anything is there. If it is there, we'll do a little bit of shopping and then we'll head towards Niagara. So we have finally reached the outlet mall. So it was around like 1.5 hours of ride, and now we have reached the outlet mall here. So I think all kinds of brands are there over here. Hopefully I get something nice. I'm aiming at the Nike store because you guys know I'm a sneaker fan, but let's see what happens. So outlet malls are something where you get all these brands, all kinds of brands at wonderful offers and steal deals also. But yeah, I looked at many, but I didn't feel like buying anything. But I just bought one Nike LeBron shoes. I'll show you guys that later. But 6 o'clock this ends, and it is 6 o'clock right now. So we are walking out to go towards Niagara. But it is raining. I hope it stops. So we just reached Niagara. There's a giant wheel behind us and the tower there, but right now we are currently very hungry, so we are trying to go and eat something like a buffet or something, spend some time and then go, because there is fireworks happening here in Niagara and the fireworks is at 10 in the night, so we have to spend our time. So we are finding a place to go and eat. So finally we had our dinner from the worst possible place. We hated the food, but still we had to have it. And now it has come, as you guys can see, it is snowing really badly. Hopefully my phone is waterproof, I'm not sure. But still, now the plan is we are moving towards the Niagara Falls to see the illuminated falls. And by 10 o'clock there's going to be fireworks, but I don't know how it is going to look with all these for a snowfall or something. But still, hopefully we get to see a nice view. So we are just walking down the road. Finally, we have almost reached Niagara in another few seconds, or sorry, few minutes. So this is the US side falls. So this is how it looks here, and if you walk little more front, you will find the exact Canadian Niagara Falls. So let's go there. So after that wonderful fireworks, we have come inside a casino. Bro is going to play here. So that is why we have come inside casino. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys really liked the video. I couldn't resist posting this Niagara video. That is the reason I didn't post any New Year fun that we had, that clip or not, because it's already 10 minutes. So next week it's gonna be the fun we had during the New Year, and also the Blue Mountains that we went and visited. So stay tuned for that, and hope you guys like the video and keep supporting me like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next week. Until then, is Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye, take care. Wait, before going, please hit on subscribe button if you guys are new, and the bell icon.